Hey guys, it's Matt. I just wanted to show how the live view works on our platform. So basically, the live view is found in any collection, and here you have live listings and sales. Apparently, right now we're the fastest in the game. If you check all the platforms, our listings are currently the fastest. So feel free to check and try for yourself. We can also quick snipe, of course, with the buy option, and we aggregate all different marketplaces. Of course, here we have a listings wall. See the walls of listings. We can of course also change the range. Underneath we have a live sentiment chart for scalp trading in the immediate short term, so we can set 1 minute, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and it's going to show us the comparison between sales and listings in the time frame we've selected, and within the range of the floor we've also put in this value here. You can either view this with columns or bubbles, and we can clearly see the biggest one is the one that has more of it. Under that we have a classic bubble chart where we can see all the different sales and listings that happen on a collection in various different price ranges. By the way, if you want to try the platform, we have a 7-day free trial going on right now. Just go to the page app.wagmilabs.tools, and here you can scroll down and find the 7-day free trial that you can activate right away. See you inside, guys.